In this video, I will show you how to add a number counter to your WordPress website quickly and easily. The first thing that we need to do is open up Elfsight. This is the tool that we will be using to build the widget, and I've linked it in the description below. Go ahead and click on that link and it will take you straight over to this page. This link also ensures that everything connects properly when we embed it. From here, just enter your email into this box to sign up for free, and then on this next page, create your password. Just like that, we are signed up and ready to go. Now, from here, you have full access to all of the widgets that are available with Elfsight, but we are specifically looking to put in a number counter. So we want to go right up to the top, and then in this top right corner where it says search widgets, we want to click into here, and then we want to search for number counter. So we can see the number counter widget right here. We can go ahead and click into this. And now we have a few different templates to choose from. So we have like the white theme, the black theme, these colored numbers, colored icons, multicolored counters, like a single counter if you want to add in this. A lot of different templates and a lot of different styles here, but I'm just going to go for this one. And then once your template has been selected, we can click continue with this template. From here, we can then go in and we can see this is the content that makes up these different counters. So we can click into these and we can change these. So right now we have the end value right here, which is 10,000. The start value is starting from 0. A prefix, which right now there is none. This comes before the number. The postfix is a plus. And then the caption says customers that we have served, and we have an icon. So if I was creating this for a charity website as an example, we might start out by saying how much money we have raised. So what we can do is we can go to the icon right here, and you can either upload your own icon image, or you can choose from the library and choose from a few in here. I'm going to go down and I'm going to select this money icon right here. Then let's say we've raised 1.2 million. We can enter that in right there. The start value is going to remain at 0. We will leave the plus in right there. And for the caption, we'll go down and we'll say $1,200 raised. Then we can click on done. We can then go down to the next option right here. Let's say we've helped 80,000 people, so we can enter that in right there. Of course, we will remove this icon right here. We'll add a plus once again. And in here, we can say people helped. Maybe for the icon, we can even go in and change this as well. So we'll go choose from library. And then with this, we can select an image of people. So just like this is how we can set up the content. If you want to add another counter in right here, we can do so. So let's say like 80 plus countries served. Then for the icon, we can maybe go for a globe if they have it. So we can go down and we have a globe right here. Perfect. So that's how we can add all the content in right there. We can also go and add a widget title as well. If you want to, we could just type like accomplishments and that would show up at the top. We can then go to the layout and choose the number of columns. So as I've got 4, this looks unbalanced right now. So I'm going to change it to 2 columns per line, and that looks more balanced right there. We can change the number between the counters, the width. We can then go down to the style and we can change like the widget background in here. If we want to change the background from white to another color, we can change the number color, the caption color, all of the different colors and fonts in this area. Finally, we have settings for if we want to change the animation speed and the animation type as well. We can go ahead and change both of these right here. But once that has been created and we now have the number counter set up, all we have to do is go up here and click on publish. And then Elfsight will take us over to this page where we can now choose our plan. Now the plan that you go for depends on how many monthly website visitors you get. So you can see 5,000, 50,000, 150,000 and so on and so forth. Or they also have this free plan right here for if you have a new website or if you just want to test Elfsight out. Once you have chosen your plan, Elfsight is then going to give us a piece of code. And this is how we are going to embed the widget onto your website. So all we have to do is click on copy code, go over to your WordPress website. And then on WordPress, we of course want to open up the page that we want to add this number counter to. So I'm going to add mine right here on the home page. We can then go down to where we want to add this. So mine's going to be right here. And then all we have to do is click on this plus icon, search for HTML, and then drag in this HTML element to where you want to have this on the website. Then we can click in and paste. And when you are in the editor, this is always going to show up as text, but on the actual website, this will be replaced with the number counter. So we can go up, we can click on save, and we can view the site. And now if we scroll down, we can see the number counter right there.